I understand that's your girlfriend. I understand, but you have to leave her alone. If you need proof that miracles exist, I found her in a shed. Now I get to keep her.
I need to go to the bathroom, but I can't leave the cookies out, so look who's going to the bathroom with me. Because I can't trust her to not eat all of my cookies while I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay, I'm putting groceries away and I hear a noise. Get out. Get out. Absolutely not, sir.
You're taking my glasses off, man.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.